I'm here.
Today we will look into DML statements.
Okay.
Yes, I am creating another sample. A class. JDBC DML level. Main method. I am copying the code that is our previous program.
Okay.
Yes, let me show you that employee table. I am connecting to MySQL environment.
Okay.
So select star from employee.
Employee.
Yes. There is a record. You can see here.
Yes.
Employee ID 100. Name is Madhu. Age 27. Location is Bangalore.
Yes.
Right. I am going to edit this record.
Okay.
So maybe I need to
Hello.
perform. Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm sorry, I was away a little bit.
Okay. So before performing an editor, let me insert one new record. Then we will go for updating.
Okay.
Yes. So I am referring to the previous code which I just copied into our new program.
Yeah.
So we need these things. So driver, URL, username, password. So connection statement. So here to perform DML operations, I told you that we need prepare statement, right?
Yes.
So I am creating a prepare statement here. Prepare statement. And let me import this. Import from java.sql. And it is prepare statement. Prepare statement. And I don't need result set because I am just performing an insert here.
Okay.
So class start for and whatever the errors here. So let me remove those errors. Right. I don't need result set. Right. And I don't need this while loop also if I am not working with the result set. Right. And result set close also I can remove. And prepare statement close we need, of course.
Yeah.
Yes, done. As of now, there are no errors in my program. And here, right. Yes, the same sequence of steps we did. So load and register the driver.
Yeah.
Then we need a connection.
Connection.
And
Yes.
connection obtained successfully. And here I need insert query.
Yeah.
Insert query. Insert query. SQL. I write here insert. Right. And let me perform this insertion here. Insert into what employee. What I am inserting, a new record I am inserting. So let me refer to the employee table columns.
Yeah.
So they are employee ID, name, age, location. Employee ID, name, age,
location.
and values. So here values. Values, instead of giving hard-coded values, I can give the hard-coded values like employee ID 114 I have, the last one. I can give 115 like this. Instead, I can assign the values, maybe from keyboard or through some other resource.
Okay.
So I just put a
question marks
over there. So these question marks are known as byte parameters, we say. So let me write here. So I am creating a prepare statement. And here with the prepare statement, we can do so. Question mark is nothing but bind parameter, or sometimes it is also known as placeholder.
Yes.
So I told you that with statement and prepare statement will give good performance compared to statement. How? The reason is, the thing is generally the SQL statements, how they get executed means, these are strings, right? Whatever the SQL statements, what we are writing in Java program are strings. Those string SQL queries are given to database. In our example, it is MySQL database. So MySQL database will first parse for the string. So I am just writing here the steps. What happens generally? So first the thing is the SQL string is given to database. Then second, the database parses the string for SQL query.
Yes.
Third, the database compiles this SQL query. So compiles. After compilation, it generates some intermediary code. Some code it generates. Generally, we call it as op code. Operation code it is.
Okay.
Operation code. So let me write operation code. Yes. So when SQL query gets compiled, the operation code is generated, and that operation code is further executed. So I write here. So then DB executes. You can see over the compilation then forwards by execution, right?
Yes.
Executes the SQL query. It executes. Suppose if it is a select statement, it gives the result set. Suppose if it is an insert statement, then inserts a record, right?
Yeah. Right.
Yes. So with the statement, so I write here with the statement, all the 1 to 4 steps are repeated for every query execution. Okay. Whereas with the prepare statement, so what happens is, with prepare statement, what happens is, for the first time. So for the first time, 1, 2, 3, and 4 occurs. For subsequent calls to the same statement, same SQL statement, particular statement, only step 4 is performed, reducing the parsing as well as compilation. Got it?
Got it.
Right. So that is why the prepare statement is faster in performance, and this is one of the important interview questions. They may ask you why this prepare statement is giving good performance compared to statement. So this is the reason. For every subsequent call, I mean to say, I insert this. Suppose I re-execute this with the new values. Assume.
Okay. Okay.
So for the second time, the insert statement will insert the second record in my employee table. So during that second insertion, the compilation of the SQL query parsing does not happen. Only the execution happens. So compilation is the time-consuming process. So compilation, here is my compilation. Yes, compiles. So this is time-consuming process actually. And resource expensive. It also needs expensive resources to compile the SQL query. And these three steps will not occur for the second insertion. Assume I am inserting third record.
Okay.
With third record also, only execution happens. Directly insertion goes. It does not compile again. So over there with the third record, these values you can see here. I have question marks here in my insert statement. So these question marks would be replaced with new values over there. Got it?
Got it.
So let us insert one record, and you can insert second, third, fourth as well. So I am doing one insertion. So here, while using these placeholders question marks are supported only with prepare statement. So
Okay.
I need a prepare statement. So I need a prepare statement. Obtain. So I have that, of course. I have that. Let me. Yes, this thing. Create a prepare statement. So in this, write an SQL query is done here. So I cut this, and do here. So in this, write an SQL query is doing here. Right. Now we have written SQL query, but with the question mark symbols we have written. We need to set values, right?
Yeah.
Set values to the placeholders. Placeholders are bind parameters, we said. Right? Got it?
Right. Got it.
Now I'm setting the values. So before that, I have written the SQL query. I need to obtain the prepare statement, right?
Yeah.
Prepare statement.
Yes.
I have that prepare statement. Prepare statement equals to. So on connection we obtain that. Connection dot prepare statement. You can see over the prepare statement, right?
Yes.
So to this prepare statement, give that SQL insert query.
Insert query.
SQL insert query with the placeholders. Now I am setting the values. So on prepare statement, set. So the first question mark is that what employee ID, right?
Yes.
Which is numeric. You can see set int. Okay, set int.
Yeah.
Set int. So that is first question mark, and I am giving a value here 115.
Okay.
Employee ID. Then set prepare statement. Set. The second column is name.
String.
Yes, of course, string. Second. So I am mentioning second question mark it is. Okay.
Okay.
And name. I am giving name. Then prepare statement. Third one is age. So set it is numeric.
Yeah.
So 3. So I give 22. Right. Then prepare statement. So prepare statement. Location is varchar. Set again. Set string, right?
String. Yes.
Right. So fourth. So location, I say New York. Done. I have set all the values now. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I need to
Okay.
execute that query, right? So execute the SQL DML, particularly insert query with the
What's
help
the
of
email?
previous statement. Yes,
What's the meaning of the email?
data manipulation language.
Okay.
It is in SQL. In SQL, we have commands like DDL, DML. Do you remember?
No.
No, it's very important. If you
I
are
know
working with the
that you write
JDBC,
somebody DDL, but I don't know the acronym of
right.
DDL.
So in SQL, we have, I'm just mentioning here,
Okay.
DDL language, that is data definition language.
Okay.
Data definition language. Then I have DML. So here data manipulation language. So under DDL we have create, alter, drop, truncate. These are the commands, right?
Right.
And with the DML, insert, update, delete. Okay.
Okay.
And we have TCL, that is transaction control language. And the commands are commit, rollback, save point. And we have DQL, that is nothing but data query language. We have only select statement in it. Of course, we have another one also, data control language. So the commands are grant, revoke, which talks about some permissions on database objects with owners.
Oh, the privileges.
Yes, privileges or permissions we say.
All right.
We are yesterday we have done with the select statement, right? I mean last session.
You're right. Yeah.
And I highlighted that with the statement. So let me open that. My JDBC related stuff. Yes. Yes. Look here. If you remember, I have introduced those statements, all those things. I mean JDBC statement.
Yeah.
With the statement, you can do select as well as GDL commands also you can do.
Yeah.
And with the prepare statement, you can do DML. Okay.
Okay.
And with the callable statement, we can do with the procedures. We will see this next once we are done with insert update. Okay.
All right.
Got it? Right.
Got it. Thank you.
I am back to welcome. Execute the HTML DML insert query in our example. So to execute that, we will be using a statement, a prepare statement dot execute. Or there you can see execute is returning Boolean value. So likewise execute update we have. Observe that execute update, which is returning an integer value.
Yeah.
I am taking that. The integer I am holding here. Integer is nothing but the number of rows that are affected with your prepare statement.
Okay. Okay.
Now I am displaying system.out.println. So rows affected, rows inserted into employee table successfully. Some feedback message after executing this insert.
Yeah.
I'm done. And let me. So what is this error? Syntax error. Insert to complete the block. Okay. The brace was missing.
Yeah.
Right. Done. Done with the insert. Now I'm executing this. One row inserted into the employee table successfully. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And let me show you that in database whether it is inserted successfully or not. I'm re-executing this.
Yeah.
Can you observe here?
Yes.
So I'm able to insert employee MI information here. Right?
Yeah. Right.
Right.
Now, so that is about insert. Let us perform an update.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
If you want to add more than 2 rows at the same time, what can we do?
You have to execute twice. I mean to say, as of now. Soon we will be learning batch processing. In that, 2 insert statements can be fired at once.
Okay.
As of now, I mean, we are at the beginning level. If you want to insert 2 records, you can insert, you have to write a second insert SQL query and you need to execute it second time.
Okay. Yeah.
Soon, once we are familiar with the batch processing is nothing but you can insert, a bunch of statements.
Okay.
So 2 inserts, 2 updates and 1 delete, 5 operations.
Oh, good.
All these 5 can be done at a go.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
With the help of batch processing. We will see that.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Yes. All right. I was talking about update. Shall I modify the same program or should I go for a second program for update?
You can modify if you.
Okay. Right. I'm properly explaining here with comments so that there will not be any confusion. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Right. Now I am going for update. So I say here. Example 1, that is insert. Insert. Example 2, update. So I am writing an update here. Right. Example 2. Update statement. So I need to write an update statement then. Similar to this string.
Yes.
Similar to this string. So let me give SQL update it is. Update query. And I am writing here update.
Update.
Right. So update employee set. So age equals to, I say 23, and where employee ID equals to 115,
for example.
5. So 115. I am changing MS age to 23.
Okay.
Right. Now I'm executing it. So the thing is, to execute that, Here you can see for obtaining the prepare statement, you are passing the SQL query, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So instead you pass right, absolutely. So I comment this, then the same thing, of course, with the SQL update.
Yes.
That's it. And I don't need this, right?
No.
Right.
So what I'll do is, let me put all these. So example 2 update.
Down.
Yes, all here, somewhere down the line. And this, so all these belongs to, right. So I'll comment this completely.
Yes.
So that all the bunch goes in this.
Good.
It's clear now. Right. Now I got an update, I have given an update, then I have executed the update. Right, execute update. Yes. Now rows updated into the employee table. Right, our rows updated.
Okay.
Fine, I'm executing this. You can see one row updated in the employee table.
Yeah.
And let us check 23 now, the age is.
Yeah.
Suppose I say the update where employee ID equals to 115 I gave, where I say employee ID N, and I give some set of employee IDs over there. Okay.
Okay.
So let me change the employee IDs. So this 108, 109 and 111, 113. The location I am changing. I say 108, 109, 109, 111, 111, 113. Four employees. So I say set
location
equals to Canada. So what happened? Okay.
It's just
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me do this. 4 rows updated.
Okay.
Yes, I got. Okay.
All right.
So it's simple, right? So once you are familiar with those JDBC 7 steps, where 6 steps, entire JDBC becomes simple. The thing is, you need to know concepts about database. That's it.
Yeah.
Can you perform a delete operation? I'm writing here delete operation as an assignment.
Sure.
SQL DML assign.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have had an issue of connecting my SQL database. So I'd like you to share with me like the resource where I can read the user manual of installing the MySQL database, because
Okay.
I've been searching online, but I had issues with the connection.
You
I don't know
can
what
use
happened.
YouTube link. I'll share you that YouTube link.
Okay.
What is it? Installation process of MySQL.
Yeah, I have been searching online and followed the steps, but I had issues with connecting to the database.
What is the version? SQL, MySQL version?
Let me check. I think it's the latest version.
5.6.
5 point?
5.6.
Okay, okay. I think mine is 5.5 or 5.1. Mine is 5.1. So you need to download this file, executable file. What OS do you have?
I have a MacBook Pro.
MacBook Pro. Then you have to download the compatible MacBook Pro, this MySQL.
But I use a Windows side, either Windows side or Mac side. I have both
Okay.
environment.
Fine, fine. I'll share you a link where you can download that MySQL executable file. The
Okay.
thing is only just a double click on it. That will take you to default wizard where you will be clicking on next button. Somewhere down the line it will ask for username password. Give that root and root.
I did all the steps, but I don't know what's going wrong with my
But
computer.
still,
Mine is working.
okay.
I'm using the 5.6 version, but it's working. I don't know why. We tried with Emma's, but it didn't work.
What is the error message you are getting?
It's when I try to connect, I use Workbench
Good, Workbench,
as
yes.
a platform, like to graphical user interface, and
Yes,
when
yes,
I
I have
try to
received.
connect to the
Yes, I
database,
am familiar with Workbench.
I receive an error says a message saying that it's failed to connect. It can't recognize the local host, like the 125.1 whatever the IP address of the local
Can you
host.
send that error message here on the chart window? I think chart window is not enabled. If you do that error message, I'll try to sort out what's the trouble.
All right.
Is someone there? Can you ask Mike if he is available to enable chart window so that you can send the error message to me?
Okay. Let me talk to him. But we can continue. We can do
Fine,
it
fine.
like after the session, before the
No,
session is closed.
for now, I'll wind up the session because it is 8. I'll be late to my office.
Oh, okay.
Tomorrow we will connect between 5 and 6 a.m. IST. Please make note of this time. Same
5
regular
and
time.
regular.
Our
Good.
regular time.
Good.
5 and 6.
Yeah.
That is between 5 and 6 a.m. IST.
Yes.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
At the regular timing, which is blocked for you. And soon, I mean, I am engaged with other sessions also. Once the other sessions, maybe in another 2 weeks, they gets finished, and I'll extend the session to 5 to 6:30 for sure. 1.5 hour will go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine then. Tomorrow we shall continue with callable statements, then followed by some TCL, transaction control language commands. That is this thing. So let me write here. Yes, this thing. TCL.
Okay.
And we will be seeing batch processing. Then the select statement has executed a query and it returns the rows, right? So how many rows
Right.
it has written, how many columns we have seen, the metadata about that result set.
Yeah.
We will see these things tomorrow.
Yes.
Maybe in another 2-3 sessions we can finish JDBC.
Okay.
And
So
at
I'm
any
talking
point,
to Mike. I'm
okay,
waiting for him to connect me.
okay. Is he there?
I don't know. I'm calling him.
On phone?
Yes.
Excuse me, Hamid, can I ask you a
Yes.
question?
Sure, sure.
How long did it take you to, to know all these things?
All these things means?
I mean, all, I can see you know database, you know Java programming, you kind of knowing most of this, what you're teaching us actually. So, how long does it take you to
The
master
entire course.
the subject? Yeah.
I mean, generally, all the things like the frameworks, all these things, generally, if we go for 1 hour and 5 days a week, it takes uh, 25, 24, 5 months, 5 months. But
Oh,
the thing is, I have observed with you, you are very good at the things which I deliver. I mean, you are capturing them very easily. I
yeah, because
appreciate
we
you
do some
both.
research after, and we really need to know these things, and yeah, that's it.
Yeah, sure. The thing is, I mean, we will be finishing all the things at the earliest because I came to know that you are expecting the course to be finished at the as early as possible.
Yes. Mhm.
I'll try to because I'm packed with some other schedules also really.
Yeah,
Still,
yeah.
I'm trying to extract time. Unfortunately, yesterday I lost. Or else yesterday we could have completed the JDBC.
Oh, yeah. Things
So
may
this
happen.
Sunday I'm planning to go for a session.
Okay,
Over there, possibly if the JDBC is remained, we will do JDBC and possibly we will get an intro to servlets also.
okay, okay. Yeah, we're trying our best. Yeah, hopeful will be good after
Yes,
the
yes,
completion. Yeah, because
definitely you will be.
the way you teach, it's really good. You teach very well and kind of understanding things. Yeah, we hope that after the completion we'll be fine, we'll be good.
Yes, definitely you will be. And thanks for giving me a good feedback about my deliverables.
Yeah.
So
We will maintain
Mike's
the same. Yes.
Mhm.
he said to give him like 1 minute.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
So I was trying to open the environment and the screenshot. Do you need a screenshot?
Screenshot as well as what is that error message I
The
need.
error
Error message,
message.
of course, you can send via this text chat window.
Okay.
Screenshot, you can mail me.
Okay. Can I have your email, please?
Uh, I don't know whether I am. I mean, I can share my email ID or not. I have to talk to Ram regarding this.
Ah, okay.
I'm now the presenter.
Yeah, yeah. So I think, hey Ahmed, I think Emma, she has a present. She can present now, I guess.
Fine.
Uh,
Good, good. Let me see. Yes, I can see your browser. Show me the workbench. Yes. Try to connect. It's 6 version.
So I do database and connect to database.
You already have that MySQL connections. You can choose one of them. Cancel. Or their local instance MySQL. Choose one. Double click on it.
Okay, yeah. It's right here.
SQL query. And now try execute one query. Where is
I
the
don't have any
database?
table.
Connect to database. Wait. Left side, there should be an object browser for us. Look for object browser. You can see test database schemas. You can see navigator under that, in that navigator management, instance, performance, schemas, we have test.
Yeah.
Test. Double click on it. So it is selected. Expand the tables. Do you have any tables? Drag it up. Right. Tables. You don't have any tables. Create a table. Simple table with one column. Create table. EMP with employee ID. Enough. Not that brace. Not that brace.
Oh. Which one?
It is parenthesis generally we use, right?
Excuse
In the
me?
keyboard you can see it is on the numeric 9. Down the function
Numeric
keys.
9.
Yours
Okay.
is MacBook, right?
Yeah.
Right. EMP
Then
ID. EMP ID. Space INT for integer. Enough.
maybe
Give
not
semicolon.
now.
All right. We can give a constraint, of course. Semicolon at the end. Not there. After that brace.
Oh yeah.
Select it and click on that run button available. Beside that floppy, in that query, one editor. Right, absolutely. Yes, you are able to connect and you are able to execute a query also. What's the issue now?
I couldn't connect myself. I don't know why. I couldn't connect before.
This is how you connect. Let me, show me how you tried connecting and where you failed connecting. You can close this and relaunch Workbench. Is that clear
Yeah.
now? You are able to create
Yes.
it now.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to run my program and see if it works. If I can be able to
Right.
select or from the employee or to insert or use this.
Do you have your JDBC program?
Yes. Not right now. I have been using Mac and Windows. I think here I
You can
don't
make
have
a try and let me know tomorrow.
Sure.
Yeah.
You need to configure the jar file, right? Have you
Yeah, I
downloaded
did.
the jar file?
Yes, I have it right here. It is already here.
MySQL connector.
Yeah, I do it. I can connect with the jar file. That's
Because
not
I
a
don't
problem.
see the jar file here in that JRE system library. It is external references. It is. It's not JRE system library. No.
I have been installing and uninstalling. I can do it. It's not like a big problem doing the jar file.
Fine. You
The
make a
issue
try.
was the connection. Yeah.
Okay. So,
All right.
okay.
Yes. Thank you for your help.
Welcome.
See you
You
tomorrow
have done
then.
that sample also, string tokenizer, right?
Yes, we did.
I appreciate you. Good.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So,
Fine.
Hey,
Hello.
Ahmed.
Yes, Mike.
Hey. The training is done for today.
Yeah.
Yes, for today it is done.
Oh, okay. So can you just hold on for a few minutes? I think maybe Emma and Deuce, they can drop off. I just wanted to arrange how, with RAM to try and see how we can be, changing the screen much better, the coordination to improve that.
Okay.
You can drop off.
Yeah, you can drop off. Yes.
Okay.
You can just leave the meeting, Emma.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Oh, you have it already? Hey, Ahmed, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, hey, actually, I just wanted to get like maybe some feed. Hey, Ahmed. Okay, let me
Yes,
just.
I'm listening to.
Sorry, just hold on. Give me just 1 minute. Let me tell this guy to finish to finish the recording. I think he's still recording. Just bear with me just for 1 minute.